Finally, we got the fitness band that we were all waiting for months. Yup, the Mi Band 6. Now, it's not officially released in India, but for you guys, we arranged it from China. And let me tell you, you're right away, Mi Band 6 is going to be the best fitness band ever released. That's a big and bold claim. So why do I say that? Well, this is the first time any fitness band comes with one, reply to call notification, automatic workout detection, 50% bigger screen than Mi Band 5, and of course, much needed SpO2 monitor that was missing in Mi Band 5. All of it in one package. So at least on paper, it looks like a major upgrade over Mi Band 5. But is it? Should you really wait for Mi Band 6? Or even better, how can you get the Mi Band 6 right now? Well, this is Prateek. You're already watching TechWiser and I'm so excited to test it out. Now with that said, let's quickly see what you get inside the box. So the box looks a lot similar to Mi Band 5 box. All Mi Band boxes look the same. This unit is from China, so as you can see, the text is also in Chinese, but thankfully the band works perfectly in English language. So when you open the box, straight up you get the band. First impressions looks a lot similar than Mi Band 5, but hold on to that thought. And you get the same charger as Mi Band 5. Some usual manuals, which again is in Mandarin or Chinese as people outside call it. Now taking a closer look at the fitness band, on the surface the Mi Band 6 looks a lot similar to Mi Band 5. Same strap, same capsule, but when you turn on the display, you will notice what has changed. The Mi Band 5 had 1.1 inch AMOLED display and the Mi Band 6 has 1.56 inch AMOLED display. Almost 50 times bigger display. In person, it looks really fantastic. Now, this bigger display means you can see more stuff on the display at once. Like if you see at the menu on the Mi Band 5, you can see only one app. But on the Mi Band 6, you can see two apps. Also, the font size is much bigger now. As you can see, the distance and calories font are much bigger now. So imagine when you're running and want to quickly see the stats, the 50% bigger display will be really helpful. And here, have a look at the swipe animation. If I scroll down, the icon keeps scrolling. We see these animations on the Apple Watch, but a fitness band on this price range, I'm seeing this for the first time. I mean, how smooth it is. Also, Mi Band 5 has this capacitive button, while the Mi Band 6 is all touchscreen. So yeah, in terms of design, the Mi Band 6 has 50% bigger display, which is not only sharper now, but also a lot smoother than Mi Band 5. A real upgrade, I would say, but you know what? You don't buy a fitness band for its pretty looks. You buy a fitness band for its fitness tracking. Now, both Mi Bands offer similar fitness features such as step, sleep and heart rate tracking, but this time Mi Band 6 has included some really important features. For example, Mi Band 6 now includes a SpO2 sensor that will let you take on spot blood oxygen measurements, and it also shows your heart rate reading at the same time. And since now we have SpO2 sensor, the sleep tracking also includes sleep breathing quality, so apnea can be detected. Of course, it will be interesting to see how accurate it is. Another major upgrade comes in the workout mode. So earlier, Mi Band 5 offered 11 dedicated workouts, while the Mi Band 6 has 30. But what I really like this time is the Mi Band 6 has automatic workout detection, like walking, running, rowing, etc. that you get on an expensive smartwatch. So imagine you are out for a run, the Mi Band 6 will automatically detect that you are running and give you a prompt to start tracking. This feature is usually not present in budget fitness band, or if there, doesn't work. Now there's one more thing good in the Mi Band 6, and talking about that, let's talk about the Mi Band 6 extra features. So all the features that work on the Mi Band 5 will also work on the Mi Band 6. For example, you can still view notification, control music, camera control, set alarms and reminders, choose from different watch faces from the app, etc, etc. However, one new feature that is present in Mi Band 6, which is a bit of a game changer, is reply to call notification. So imagine you're riding a bike and you get a call, you can simply send them a preset reply, get aside while you're riding the bike. Although don't confuse it with reply to notifications that you get in expensive watches. With reply to notification, I can reply to any notification like even WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram, etc. And finally, in terms of battery life, what I find interesting is both the bands use the same 125 mAh capacity battery, and Xiaomi claims both bands has 14 days of battery life, but I'm not sure how true is that since the Mi Band 6 now has a bigger display this time. Like I said, stay tuned, rather stay subscribed for the final review. Another cool thing is this charging style. As soon as you keep it on charge, the time and charging information is now displayed horizontally. Like so nice. You don't have to twist the watch or your head to see the time. Now, the last deal. What's the price? How much is the Mi Band 6? Well, Mi Band 6 remained at the same price as the Mi Band 5, that is 39 euro or 3400 rupees, and in China it's 229 yuan or 2500 rupees. So if you ask me, in India it will be priced somewhere between 2500 to 3000 rupees. That's the same price range as Mi Band 5, and for that price it will be a killer fitness band to buy. So should you wait for Mi Band 6? Well, definitely. If you compare Mi Band 6 to Mi Band 5, you get all the features of Mi Band 5, and on top of that, you get bigger and better screen, larger number of workout modes, automatic workout detection, SpO2 sensor, and reply to call and SMS notification. It's funny you won't get half of these features with a OnePlus watch and it still costs 15,000 rupees. It's a weird world, my friend. So yeah, definitely wait for Mi Band 6. Don't buy product based on first impressions. Wait for our full review. And if you don't want to wait, maybe consider following us on Twitter. While I can't promise it yet, but we are trying to source and arrange a few Mi Band 6 which we'll be giving out to our Twitter followers and our cult Telegram group, of course. It's Prateek, and see us pretty soon in the next one.